Oh yeah. What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and today we are back for another vlog. Now I'm trying to do more vlogs and stuff, so I'll probably do it twice a week. It's a whole lot easier doing like that because everybody's like, when are you going to do another vlog? When are you going to do another vlog? Well, the thing is, gaming is like the big money maker on the channel, so I have to do what brings a lot of income in. I really do love vlogs and stuff. Like I said, you kind of have to do what your main channel is all about. But anyways, I bought something else for the old Durango. Actually, I had to open it up and look at it. Let me put the camera. Actually, you know what? We actually bought this for the old Durango. Now this actually goes, it's supposed to lay over your, I thought that was a spider at first. Is that a piece of metal?
Looks like plastic.
I think it is plastic. Anyways, this is supposed to clip over your grill. Oh, it's like a little cover for that. It's supposed to fit over your grill and stuff, so you don't have to cut it or anything. But I want to take the grill up because on this truck right here, I put one like this on it, and you can see the crosshairs in it, and I don't want that. Plus, she's not a big fan of the crosshairs anyway, so we'll probably cut it. If something happens, we don't like it, or we want to get rid of it, and that brings the value down or whatever, or anything like that, you can always buy another one. I think that the housing is black, so it kind of matches because it's white and black is basically the theme of the car. So we can do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the old grill out, and I need to look at the hardware. Hey, we actually have. So I'm gonna look at this real fast, see how this goes on, because we don't want to cut anything that we need to support it with. All right, actually looking at this and stuff, it looks like it's supposed to clip up on the old mesh and stuff. I want to see how hard it is to actually take the grill out, because I don't want that crosshair, because I know being white, you're going to see it. So this is going to basically just be laying over the stock grill. I don't like that, so we're going to see what we can do. Literally anything that says, oh, no cutting, no drilling or anything, always sucks, because it always doesn't look cool or anything like that. And it's just, let me slap a hood cap on a Steely and call it, a custom rim or something. No, we ain't doing that. So I'm gonna look and see what we gotta do to take this apart. I figured it would be laying against this, and then I could probably trim that right there. That way you wouldn't see this, but apparently, I don't know. I don't think I want to like how this grill goes on. Looks like we'll have to take this piece off, and then shouldn't be too many bolts in there holding on. So I want to see what all holds it on. I know I'm gonna have to take that out, and that, get that little spider web nest out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we are running out of light, but I do have a 7-inch socket, a 7 socket, and you have a bolt here, 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 and here. And of course the tabs. Just get that off. Okay, now this book does not say, or the instructions does not say you have to do all this, but I mean, I set the grill up. It looks stupid because you can literally see the crosshairs behind the grill. The pictures lie, of course. I mean, if I ever had something where I didn't have to modify, it would be like a miracle. It was literally had to modify my grill, had to modify my intakes, had to modify the intake. I think that, and of course, the rest of the trucks we've had to modify. But I don't know, but I don't like how it is. So there's a bolt there and there, which I can get to, but literally Dodge put a bolt here and over here. And that is not a scratch, that's just some kind of dirt or something, grease or something I gotta get off. But anyways, pretty sure I'm gonna have to take the headlights out or take the bumper off. So probably take the headlights out, both of them. Probably till more. I hate when you have to take headlights out because you know you can't ever see like you get them adjusted again. I really don't want to have to take them out. Might try to find another way around it, but it is starting to get dark and the first gen is still blocking the entrance for the garage, so probably gonna put this off to in the morning, come back out so we can get that. And then this is the crosshairs. I think I'm gonna cut there, here, here, and here, but leave enough. Now my truck, I hate how this looks, but we'll do hers a little better. I had to cut the crosshair there, and you can't really see it, but you see it there. It wouldn't be that bad if everything was all black, but chrome, you kind of can see it. So eventually I'll fix that, but I'm gonna do a black grill anyway, just to black it all out. But with this, I think I'm gonna do that, and then we'll just make it like that. And if I don't like it or it looks crappy, we can actually get a black bezel to go on there. So the black and white is really gonna pop, and I'll probably end up getting a white and black RT symbol to put in the corner of it. I think it'll look good. But we're gonna put everything up and come back out in the morning. All right, so it is day 2, well, the next day really, and we are back out here working on this. Now let me tell you what, like, I love Dodge, but there are literally 14 bolts holding this grill in, and you got 14 bolts holding your grill in, you got 5 lugs holding your wheel on, and that's a whole lot more important than a grill. Dodge, like, I don't know what the heck you think, but golly, 14 bolts. And guess what, we're not done, because I removed all the clips out of this, so we need to move this off. So that will go there. We gotta remove the headlight to get to the last 2. Now I've been seeing online, they're like, you gotta take your bumper off, you gotta take your bumper off. I'm not taking this bumper off, just take a daggone grill off. I wish it was kind of like the Rams, where the older Durangos I think was too, where you pop the hood, the grill went with it, but of course this one don't. But we're gonna remove the headlight, because I've got 1 and 2 down there that I gotta get, and I can hopefully get it with the headlight removed. So we gotta remove the headlight. So I got my trusty ratchet here, and we are going to, I had to actually go buy this too to get some of the bolts, because some of the bolts on the grill I have to do it like that. So you probably need one of these, but we're going to go ahead and take this bad boy off. Your headlight, yeah, to remove the rest of the headlight, you literally have to take the front bumper off. So apparently you cannot get that grill out unless you take the front bumper off, which I'm absolutely not doing. So I'm going to put, if I can find the bolt, it's in my pocket somewhere, bolt back in there, put the plastic back on. And what I did was I went ahead and taped all the way around. I know it's a pretty crappy tape job, but I know. Taped all around, because here's where I'm going to be cutting it, because the grill needs something to lay against, the metal mesh, kind of just like I did with my truck. So I taped it because we don't want to really scratch this. I'm going to go get the grill sit in, because what happens is the grill has little hooks, so it hooks itself, so it kind of pushes itself against like a lip here. And that's how we're going to do it. And I'm not going to take the grill off, and I already cut some of the pieces out. I was like, screw it, I'm cutting them out. So I'm going to have to go and clean this up. And of course we'll have to get this out, but I'll probably cut this maybe with a Dremel or something. And it should fit in there, look pretty good. If not, we chopped up the grill and I'll buy another one. And we'll take this stupid bumper off that's been really getting on my nerves. So I have a pile of crap. Use a Dremel and some tin snares, which I know it's not really what you need to use them for, but you know what, we got it. So basically, I've got to trim this back to where I need it to be, and trim this, and that. Now I had to cut in a couple pieces, but I did notice something. The bolts up here held together by this piece of plastic. So what I'm gonna do is just basically trim it there, and then we can use this to slap back on the back there, and then it'll bolt back to the car. So everything will be good to go, and we have a piece to go here, so it'll hide everything we did. Everything cut down. Now I have the bolts down there. Now these come with a little bracket. Now that it looks worse than what it does. Like once we get everything, you shouldn't really be able to notice that because it's all going to be white. Right now it's like bam. But the only way we'd fix that is be able to smooth it down and everything. And it's just more work than I really want to do right now. Maybe at a later time. But we've got this. We're going to put this down behind there, and then we have one up here. Everything should be good. Next thing is just making sure we got this, because right now they're not even, so we'll definitely have to even it out, but it is coming out pretty good. I think it's going to look good. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on. Once I get everything pre-marked and everything fits, I'll take the tape off, we'll put it on for the last time, and bolt everything down. So this is the piece where the bolts will go that actually holds the grill clips onto these. So I'm going to cut from here, and I'm going to cut all this so you don't see it, and cut right here. Basically the grill will bolt back into the stock location up top, but I had to kind of murder this to get it out. But we're going to go ahead and cut it so we can put it back in the vehicle. Well, that's not a bolt. This is how that goes on. And this actually clips to the grill, and these are held by push pins. So I've got this. We'll go ahead and put all these in. Alright, we got that. This goes down over here. Alright, we got that for last time, hopefully. So we'll put all this in, just like so. Move it down. We got this, knit up there. Okay, everything's back. We are good to go. We're gonna go ahead and shut the squeaky hood. Oh yeah. It looks a whole lot better. We'll go ahead and back up and back it out here and get a little walk around. Alright, so if you ain't got the video yet of it, or if you haven't seen the video yet of the exhaust, we actually got rid of the center muffler and put just straight pipe in the center, but we still have like the resonators and stuff on the rear. I think it sounds pretty good. especially at low idle. Oh yeah. That thing looks a whole lot better. Looks a whole lot different. It kind of sort of looks like the new Durangos. The new Durangos, but the new Durangos. So, I like it. Give it a rev. Do it again. Oh yeah, I like it. And I really do like that grill. We gotta clean it up just a little bit. I mean, clean up the car. It's really dirty right now. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna get a white RT symbol to put down there, white and black. On the rear, we're gonna get rid of the Durango, but she wants to keep the RT, so I'm gonna order basically 2 white and black RT symbols. Red? I thought you wanted white, because there ain't, I mean, you're going to do your calipers red, but there ain't nothing red right now. We can do red, though. I guess we're doing red and black logos. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch the subscribe button. Definitely going to be doing more stuff to Durango. Probably leave these rims on, but we are going to do, like, red calipers, but we're going to do different rims and tires. Beginning of spring, and of course just some other mods and stuff. And I still got to get started back on the first gen and everything like that. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one.